Consider the composite system, which is held at 300 Kelvin, shown in the following figure. Assuming ideal gas behavior, calculate the total pressure if the barriers separating the compartments are removed. Assume that the volume of the barriers is negligible. Now, R is given to be 0.082 atm liter per mole Kelvin. Okay. Now, these are our three compartments. First of all, let us find the number of moles in each of the compartment, right? So for compartment 1 having helium, we would apply the ideal gas equation everywhere, right? So the number of moles is PV divided by RT. P here is 1.5 into the volume, okay, divided by R is 0.082, let it remain R, and T is 300, right? Now, we can assume that the volume of each of the compartment is say 1 liter. Okay, so this would become 1.5 divided by R into 300. Similarly, for the neon compartment, this would be pressure is 2.5 into volume is 1 divided by R, and temperature is 300 Kelvin again. The volume for helium was given to be 2 liters, and that for neon is given to be 4 liters. Now for xenon, we have PV divided by RT. P is 1 atm, V is 1 liters divided by R, and the temperature is again 300, right? So the total number of moles will be the number of moles of helium plus the number of moles of neon plus the number of moles of xenon, right? So this will be 3 divided by R into 300 plus 2.5 into 4 is 10 divided by R into 300 plus 1 into 1 is 1 divided by R into 300. So this comes out to be 14 divided by R into 300. Okay, these are the total number of moles. Now, for solving further, what we actually have to calculate is the final pressure, right? And the final pressure would be given by P into the final volume is equal to the total number of moles into R into the temperature, which is again 300. So let's move to the next page, and the pressure total is something which we have to find. The total volume will be 2 plus 4 plus 1, which is 7 liters. The total number of moles calculated here were 14 divided by R to 300, right? So this is N, R, and T, right? This R gets cancelled out, and this 300 also gets cancelled out. Now we are left with 7 and 14. This would also get cancelled out to give a 2. So the final pressure would be 2 atm. That is option B.